So in this chapter, we'll be creating a sorting for our product list. All right. So for that, what we have to do is, first of all, let's go over here and let's search for select. And we'll be using this select, right, where we'll have options. So we already have that in our GitHub. I'll be putting link in the description so you can just copy. So this is just the stylings, right? We're just copying the stylings. So let's go over here, and here let's type right and then sort, and then let's paste it over here. So here what we are doing is there's a select, right? And right, let's import it, and then all right, so we are putting the styles, and there's value, right? And then there's sort by, and then there's order. So for sort by, we are actually using these values: price, high, low, high, right? And then as you can see, there's sort by and then there's order as well, right? And on change, we are actually splitting with this dash, so we get new sort and order. So for these values, for these options, because we are using a value like this in this format for the options, and after that we are setting sort by over here. So this is the initial sort by, right? And for this set order, we're actually using it over here. So ascending will be the initial value for order, and then there's color, there's busy, there's rounded, there's transition. We're actually using transition as well, and there's focus. So when we focus, we get this color, right? So now let's open up a network tab and let's refresh first. And as you can see, there we have initial values for order and sort by. Sort by is price and order is ascending, right? So price is the initial value for sort by, and for order it is ascending, right, initially. So that's what we're doing, right? So when we change the option, right, we are setting order and then we are setting sort by. So let's test it out. So let's go for this one first of all, and as you can see, the order is descending and then the sort by is price, so it's actually working. Let's change another one. Let's go for this one, and as you can see, it's actually changing as well, right? So it's ascending and then sort by is title. Okay, this seems to be working. Let's go for this one. Now it should be descending, and as you can see, sort by is title and order is descending, so it's actually working. And that's it. In our next chapter, we'll be working with pagination.